Wagwan beautiful people, I am Chev B. For today's video, I'll be styling this ombre 360 20-inch hair from Chinalacewigs.com. Now this is how the wig is looking, and I love me a nice ombre blonde wig for the summer. It's just popping, sis. It's just popping. As I said, it's a 360 wig, and it comes with the fake scalp in the wig, but I wasn't a fan of it because it's too light for my complexion. I mean, the lace is already brown, which is perfect. Like, look how well that matches my skin. So I don't understand why this fake scalp was so light. And also it comes with adjustable bands so that you could tighten the wig and wear it as a glueless wig. So as I said, I did remove the fake scalp because it wasn't matching my complexion, and also I wanted my knots to be a little bit lighter. As you guys can see, I over bleached the knots a little bit, but I put some mascara on it to just darken it like later on in the video. So it's okay guys, it's okay. So yeah, so basically for this technique of how I'm gonna tap down my wig, I've been using this technique for the past couple of months. It's where I use the Got To Be Glue freezing spray on the actual lace first before I remove the excess lace, and then I blow dry. Now I find that this method is so quick. Like, as soon as the blow dryer goes on it, it dries instantly in a couple of seconds. And also with this, it feels very secure, like your wig is not going anywhere, and it's also light enough for your edges. Of course, you're not gonna put the actual wig on your edges, sis. Like, don't do that. Like, bring the wig forward from your edges, but just in case if it got on your edges, you'd be perfectly fine. And yeah, this is not my most perfect or not my best installation, but it came out fine. But if you guys want to see how I did this method the first time and how great it came out, I'm going to leave the video down below for you guys to check out. But yes, I'm just using the Got To Be Glue freezing spray for the parts that lifted a little bit so that it could really melt. And I'm going to use this this molding paper wrap to just hold down the frontal and let it really melt. Now I'm gonna use a wand curl to just add back the body wave in the hair. Now I'm not gonna do anything too uniform. I still want it to look loose and just carefree. And also I went with a center part, so I'm just using this tweezer to make the parting a little bit wider. And then I'm going to use some makeup just to make the parting look a little bit more natural. And guys, I was on the phone having a deep discussion, so if you guys see me laughing randomly or my lips moving, like, don't pay me no mind. I be extra sometimes. So yeah, I'm just using a powder or foundation powder closest to my natural complexion on the actual lace. And as I said, I'm gonna just put in back some of that body wave in the hair. And yeah, that's basically it. Also, the whole details for this wig will be in my description box down below for you guys, so you can go on the website and check it out for yourself. I don't know if there's an option for that fake scalp in the wig thing, but I'm not really a fan of it. Like, I prefer my wigs without it. Yeah, so that is the end of the video. Guys, make sure that you follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at damn-chev. As I said, everything that y'all will need to know will be in the description bar down below. And this is how my wig turned out, and I am absolutely in love. Like, sis, this is your summertime fine, okay? Summertime fine, sis. Slay all summer. I love you guys so much for watching. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys.